Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you one of the best apps for watching 2K, 4K, high definition movies in HD and TV shows absolutely free and a lot of links. So each movie, each TV show will give more than 10 or 20 links for each content piece. Great application, has been around for a while, works really well, gets always updated, and it gives you the most you can get. I really love this application. I'm going to show you how to install it. Not only I'm going to show you how to install this application, but I'm going to show you how to get full access to my Unlink store where you can get other applications for free movies and TV shows, free sports, pay-per-views, and more, and fully kind of load your Firestick. But I'm going to focus on this one application just for presentation purposes. I'm going to show you how to install the media player for it and how it works and how to use it. It's a great application. It's going to give you a ton of content. So all you need to do is start up your Firestick. If your device looks like this, maybe you're new, make sure you're connected to the internet and logged into your Firestick, okay? So this is a fresh Firestick. You see no apps at all. So what I'm going to do, the first thing is I'm going to go to settings here. And from here, I'm going to go to my Fire TV or my device, and I'm going to click inside there. You see that I have developer options. If you don't have developer options, that's fine. All you want to do is click on the About button here, okay? And you'll see your device name. I'm doing this on the 4K Max, works on any Fire Stick. What you want to do is you want to click on your device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how it says, no need, you're already a developer? But for you, it'll say, now you're a developer if you're doing this the first time around, okay? When you click back, you'll see you have developer options. And you can click back one more time to go to the main menu, click one more time back to go to your main Fire Stick menu, okay? Now, once you do that, what you want to do is you want to go to the Find button, follow to the Search button here, and in here, you want to use the Alexa remote and search for Downloader. Downloader. What's going to happen? An orange white icon like this is going to come up. You want to click on the downloader icon and you want to download the downloader application. You can also type it in if your voice is not being recognized or you're not using Alexa. You can type in downloader, orange white icon, and install it. A lot of reviews, almost more than 500,000 reviews, 4 stars. When the application installs and it's finished, please don't open it yet. There's a couple things we have to do. I'm going to press the home button on your Fire Stick, followed by going to the settings here again, followed by my Fire TV or my device that we did in the first step. But this time we're going to go to developer options. We're going to go to install unknown apps, and we're going to go into downloader, and we're going to make sure we flick that on to the on position. Once you do that, press back, press back, press back, and press back. Okay, now we've enabled the installation of third-party add-ons with the developer options, okay? Now, another thing that we have to do now is we have to go to Find, and I'll explain everything in detail. Go to Search, and in here, just type in IP Vanish, just like that. Okay, type in IP Vanish and search for it, just like that word here. You'll see that is a black, white, green icon. Click on that icon. Click the download button, and I'll explain everything in detail. What a VPN is going to do is going to keep you protected. It's going to keep you safe. It's going to give you more links and content that the internet service provider is blocking. So it's going to give you a lot of more links in this application. Not only that, any other applications you use, it's going to give you way more links and way more contents being blocked. It's going to keep you completely anonymous, completely safe, and it's going to just make your streaming experience much better. So once you install IPVanish, you'll have to log in with your own account, and I'll explain everything in detail and how to make this work for Unlinked. Since Unlinked is being blocked by an internet service providers, and Unlinked is an application where you're going to get all this app that I'm going to show you, plus all other 60 more apps that are updated weekly in the Unlinked store, okay? So when IPVanish opens up, just open it up. It's going to ask you for a login and password. So you're going to log in with your own email and your own password. I'm going to log in with mine, but to get your own password set up with your email, you can scan this barcode or go with this bit.ly link here or in the pinned comment description. When you go to that link, For full transparency, you're going to be thrown into a landing page, and you're going to get 70% off through these links here from the regular price. That means it's cost as much as a latte at Starbucks per month. It's a few dollars per month, and you can use it on unlimited devices, iPads, MacBooks, Android phones, PCs, you name it. This works across all phones, all devices, all versions of Firestick, okay? And all versions of Android boxes or anything like that. So one account, unlimited devices, okay? And through these links here, 70% off, few dollars a month, less than a latte at Starbucks per month. That's how much you're going to get off through my links here. You can scan the barcode or go to this link, also in the pinned comment description. When you go to that link, choose your package, sign up. You're going to get a notification from IPVanish to your email address. You'll click to verify your account and you'll be able to log in. Take care of that now if you need to take care of it, because we're going to be needing this to get inside of the Unlinked store. As Unlinked is now being blocked, you cannot get in without using a VPN. So take care of this first. Scan this barcode or go to this link here, also in the pinned comment description. And pause the video if you need to take care of that to create your account. And then continue the video, and I'll show you how to set this up with Unlinked. I'm going to log into mine, but you would log into yours in the same method, email and password, and press the login button. And then I'll show you how to set this up for Unlinked, okay? Okay, once you log into Unlinked with your own email and password, you'll see a screen like this. And what you want to do, the first thing to set this up for Unlinked, we're going to hit the gear icon, and we're going to say connect on Android Startup, and we're going to flick it on. We're going to click one back. We're going to go to the location button right there. We're going to click on that location button. We're going to go to countries, and we're going to scroll all the way to the United States. So let's scroll to United States. Okay. Once they're in United States, we're going to click on United States. We're going to favorite United States. It's going to put a yellow star. We're going to click on it again, and we'll say going to connect to United States. Okay. Once we do that, a screen will pop up. We're going to say OK on that screen. It's going to flicker, and it's going to connect us to the United States server. As you can see here, connected, and we're now fully protected, okay? So make sure you take care of that. Links are available here, and connected, and stay safe. Now we can proceed to the next step. Press the home button, okay? And open up the downloader application now. I'm going to click on downloader, okay? Now, click OK. Click one up. This will be yellow, highlighted. Click inside of here and put an Unlinked .link, just like that, okay? Let's put that in, unlinked.link. And once you put in unlinked.link, all you have to do is press the go button, okay? It's going to say connecting. It's going to come up, and you can see I can browse left to right, up and down, okay? It's going to pull up the Unlinked website. You want to scroll down to download APK Android, and you want to click on that. So let's click on that, download APK Android. When you click on that, it's going to connect, and it's going to start downloading the Unlinked application, okay? Once it downloads, it's going to prompt you to install it. We're going to press the install button, but please don't press the open button. Press the done button. Scroll over and press the done button. There's one last thing we have to do. Press the delete button, followed by the delete button again. Once you're done that, you can press the home button. And now you see Unlinked is installed, IPVanish is running, downloader is running as well. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings now again. Now we're going to go to My Fire TV or My Device. We're going to click into that. Developer options once again. Install unknown apps once again. And make sure you turn the Unlinked switch to the on position at this time. Okay, let's do that. Turn it to the on position. Once you've done that, press the home button. And we're going to launch Unlinked. I'm going to press and launch it to open it. What you're going to see this menu. You're going to press the new library. And in here, you're going to type in the code Firestick, all lowercase, no spaces. Firestick, just like that, all lowercase. Once you're done that, you're going to press the next button. Now, a screen's going to pop up. It's going to have a lot of vital information. Not only it's going to tell you the best applications that I like, but it's also going to update every time you go in here, it's going to show you a screen with the best applications. You can take a picture if you just don't want one application. If you want some other ones for movies and TV shows, sports, pay-per-views, take a picture. It's going to give you the best application. Okay, now to enter the store, you might not have an enter button. I don't have an enter button, but on some Fire Sticks, you will have an enter button. But if you don't have an enter button, don't worry. All you have to do is just click backwards to get out of Unlinked, and then just restart it by clicking on it, starting it again. So when you start it again, you'll see New Tech Apps. You want to click on that little box, New Tech Apps, and that's going to take you to all the categories. Now you can scroll up and down, left to right to get many more applications, but the one we're going to be getting tonight is called Film Plus, and it's incredible, okay? But there's a couple of things that we first need to install. So the first section, I'm going to go in here. It says all files, but what makes it easy? I'm just going to scroll down until I see ad-free media players. So I scroll down twice. You'll see ad-free media players. We're going to get the B player ad-free for Film Plus. So we're going to click on the B player, and we're going to press the download button. What's going to happen, it's going to start downloading that application, B player. And it's very easy to install applications, as you can see. So it's going to install B player for me. I'm going to press install app. It's going to come up with this screen to install B player. You're going to press the install button. And when it's finished, it should flicker back, and it should throw us back into the Unlinked store, okay? There you go. B player was installed. We're going to scroll down. We're going to keep scrolling down until we reach a category called Movie and TV Show Apps, okay? Now you want to scroll down to Film Plus under the Movie and TV Show Apps and click on it and press the download button. That's going to download it, and we're going to install Film Plus application, okay? Very easy to use, very simple to get, and a lot of apps. You can scroll left to right, up and down, and you can get, as you can see, you can get a lot of other applications and install them very quickly. I'm going to press install app. This will pop up. I'm going to press the install button, and Film Plus is going to be installed on our Fire Stick device. Okay, there you go. And it's going to throw you back into our store. So when you're done that, you can press the home button. We've installed B Player, and we've installed Film Plus, and they show up here. And you can go back to the Unlinked store at any time to get more applications. Just to show you, I'll open up IPVanish. For this whole time, 5 minutes, we're running the VPN. Very important to get more links in Film Plus, to get constant access to Unlinked and all the updates, and to stay safe and anonymous. Make sure you protect yourself with a VPN. For this link, it's 70% off. If you haven't done that first step that I told you about, please stay safe, please stay protected, and also get blocked content in this application or links that might not show up if you're not running a VPN. You can scan this barcode or go to this bit link here, bit link in a pinned comment or description. It's less than a Starbucks coffee a month. That's how much it costs, and it works on as many devices as you want in your household, okay? Android phones, tablets, all that, okay? So make sure you do that if you haven't. Yeah, let's press the home button. And now the first thing you want to do, you want to start the B player for the first time, okay, just to get it up and running. And very important here, you want to press the allow access on B player and press the allow button. You only have to do this once, and then all the stuff will go in here and it will work. So what you do now, you press the home button, you will start up Film Plus. Once you start up Film Plus, go to your movies, TV show sections. On the startup screen on Film Plus, make sure you choose B player. So make sure when you start this up under players, make sure you choose B player, and then you can play movies and TV shows in Film Plus in 2K, 4K definition. Works amazingly well, and you'll get a lot of links using a VPN. Also, if you want more apps and applications, you can just simply go back to Unlinked and you can get any other applications you wish for. I got over 60 applications. To get access to Unlinked, make sure you run a VPN that I covered in the steps earlier. That's going to get the most out of your Fire Stick. So this basically is fully loading your Fire Stick, jailbreaking it with all kinds of other apps, but I focused today on the Film Plus, the setup on Film Plus, how to get it going, and you're going to be really shocked the amount of content you can get in Film Plus. It's better than Netflix. You're going to get tons and tons of stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for being here. Please make sure you drop a comment below. I have not put a pin code in my Unlinked store, but in the future, I might add a pin lock as people have been stealing my content. So the people that are going to get the 4-digit pin lock is the people that comment on my videos. So make sure you reply in the comments. You can say anything. You can say where you're from, what city and town you represent, what state you represent, perhaps, if you don't want to disclose too much information. What's your favorite food? or you can just simply just say hi. I don't ask for a donation, I don't ask for money, but to continue access to my Unlink store, make sure you drop a comment below. If there's a pin lock, I'm going to reply in this video right below it to your comment. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Also, please follow me on X. I'll drop a link here. It's also in my pinned comment and description as well. Follow me on X for updates and all that kind of stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Please hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up. I thank you so much for watching. If something doesn't work, also drop a comment. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being with me. Hopefully this worked. Drop a comment if it hasn't. And I'll see you, ladies and gentlemen, in the next video. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Take care.